that our freedom is incomplete without the freedom of the Palestinians. Last week, a refugee camp was bombed in Palestine, a refugee camp set up for families pushed out of their homes, a place for those with nowhere else to go, bombed by airstrikes and helicopter gunships, levelled by bulldozers and tear-gassed by soldiers in the aftermath. I do not have time to talk at length about this, so let me keep it simple. There is no reason on earth for one of the most advanced military nations in the world to bomb a refugee camp who have no other home, where children who have no other home sleep, live and play. I do not care what football team you support. I do not care what your views are on independence, what political party you voted for, or what your religion is. We have to, as human beings, start from the place that children in refugee camps should not be